Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding custom notes and messages to your public booking page, making it more informative and personalized for your customers. On your public booking page, where customers can view services and book appointments, you have the flexibility to add notes at the top or bottom of the entire booking wizard block or each individual step. Depending on your configuration, you can add notes to the service selection, operator selection, date and time selection, client details, and booking request review tabs. You can also include your terms and conditions, ensuring customers see them before booking. To add custom notes. Step 1. Log into your admin portal. Step 2. From the main menu, open Administration and click on Advanced Settings. Step 3. In the Advanced Settings window, open the Booking Service list and select Booking Service Settings. Step 4. In the Public Pages Settings, click on the Options tab. Step 5. You'll see a list of blocks and steps where you can add custom notes. Step 6. Open the Booking Page Note item and click on the Edit Note button to add or edit your custom note. Step 7. In the open window, add your formatted text using standard text formatting options such as bold, italic, underline, bullet points, numbered lists, links, and more. Step 8. Once you've finished adding your text, click on Done. Now, let's add custom notes for the booking page, service tab, and date and time tab. Additionally, we'll include terms and conditions notes and activate the option for clients to accept the terms and conditions before booking submission. Step 9. Navigate to the Extended tab and activate the Get Client TC Acceptance option. Step 10. Make sure to click the Save button to save your changes. Now, if you open your public booking page, you will see the notes displayed at the top of the booking page, Service tab, and Date and Time tab. You also have the option to show notes at the bottom of the booking block or each tab. To do this, go back to the admin portal, open the Public Pages settings, and click on the Options tab. For each note, select Top or Bottom from the provided list to choose the display position. That's it. Now, when you book an appointment, you'll see the notes added to the booking block and tabs as we set them. The Terms and Conditions link is also displayed, and clicking on it will show the notes you added. Thank you for watching.